Hey, welcome to Draft Academy. My name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build a Mad Libs game in Java. Now, Mad Libs is a pretty fun game, and over here on my web browser, I just have a example of a Mad Lib. Basically, you would enter, or you would write down a list of words, so like an adjective, a noun, an adverb, plural noun, things like that. And then those words would be taken and they'd be put randomly into a story, and it would kind of change the meaning of the story. It can be pretty fun. So I'm going to show you guys how to build one of those Mad Libs in Java. Now over here, I already have some stuff set up. I have this scanner set up. It's called keyboard input. And basically we can use that scanner to get input from the user. I also have my Mad Lib story. So we just have this poem. It says, roses are red, violets are blue, I love you. Kind of a sappy love poem. So I think we should Mad Libs it up. Inside this poem, I'm basically going to want to have the user insert a couple things. So we'll have them choose the color. We'll have them choose the noun, so this will be plural noun, and then we'll also have them choose who you're gonna love. So we'll have them choose like a celebrity or something. So instead of just being roses are red, violets are blue, I love you, it'll be roses are, and the color that the user enters, the plural noun are blue, and then I love celebrity. So this should be pretty funny. And what we wanna do is get some input from the user. So we want to be able to get a color, a plural noun, and a celebrity from the user. So the first thing we'll do is create a prompt. And I'm going to just say system.out.print. And inside of here, we'll say enter a color. So the first thing we want them to do is enter a color. And then we're actually going to store the color that they enter inside of a variable that we'll create. So we'll say string color is equal to, and we want to say keyboard input dot next line. And this is basically just going to grab the line that they input and store it as the value for that color variable. And we want to do this whole thing 2 more times for the plural noun and for the celebrity. So I'll just paste this in 2 more times, and we can change this guy down here to celebrity, or actually I guess the celebrity is the last one. And then we'll say enter a celebrity, and this one will be plural noun. And so we'll say enter a plural noun. So now we have our program set up, right? I'm getting input from the user, so I'm getting the color, I'm getting the plural noun, and I'm getting the celebrity from the user. Now all we need to do is we need to take those variables and we need to insert them into our story, and we'll print out the final story. So we'll say roses are, and now instead of just saying color, we're just going to say the actual color variable. Same thing with plural noun, so we'll just enter in the plural noun variable, and then we'll do the same with celebrity. So we'll just enter in that celebrity variable. So now we should be able to get all the Mad Libs answers that we want, and they'll show up inside of our story. So let's run our program and see how we do. So over here it says enter a color. So let's enter in magenta, enter a plural noun, we'll do microwaves, and then enter a celebrity, let's say like Tom Hanks. And now we have our poem. So it says roses are magenta, microwaves are blue, I love Tom Hanks. And we could keep running this, so I could, put really whatever I wanted in here. We could say like roses are orange, and the plural noun might be like bananas, and the celebrity could be Morgan Freeman. And so no matter what we put in here, it'll automatically insert it into our little Mad Libs. So obviously this is a very simple Mad Lib. We're only allowing the user to enter in 3 different values, but you can see how you could create like this big Mad Libs game, and you could basically model any Mad Libs that you want inside of this simple program. So that's how you can do something like a Mad Libs in Java. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to Draft Academy to be the first to know when we release new content. Also, we're always looking to improve, so if you have any constructive criticism or questions or anything, leave a comment below. Finally, if you're enjoying Draft Academy and you want to help us grow, head over to draftacademy.com/contribute and invest in our future.